Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about clusters. Unlike array, which has number of elements of the same data type, clusters can have number of elements but of different data types. It's your choice whether to have similar data type elements or different type of data elements. So in order to create cluster, what we have to do, go to controls palette and then go to array matrix and cluster, place cluster over here. Just like array, whenever you place this cluster over here, this is a empty shell, cluster shell that we have placed. So now we have to insert n number of elements into the cluster, all the elements that we want. Let's suppose I have created this numeric control. Let's name it to name. Then we have a boolean, let's say pass slash fail question mark. And then we have string control, right? So maybe string control should have the name and it should be phone number, right? My bad. So this is how we create clusters. Now in this cluster, we have three elements of different data types. You can auto size the cluster as you see fit, arrange horizontally or vertically. Let's arrange horizontally. So this is how my cluster looks like. Now when I go to the block diagram, you will see only one terminal on the block diagram. If I create these three elements, let's copy them, you can see I have three elements present on the block diagram. But when I insert it into a cluster, I have only one. So this is more helpful on the block diagram also because it removes the cluttering. Instead of three, now I have only one terminal. So again, this is cluster control. You can change it to indicator. Cluster control will have only the controls, right? And cluster indicator will only have indicators. You cannot merge them together like one control or two indicators like that. So this is how we create controls on the front panel. Let's suppose you want to create constant. If in order to create constant, what you can do is from pre-existing cluster control, go to create, right click, go to create and constant. Here you will see the constant control. The other way to create a cluster constant, go to cluster and then place cluster constant. Just like on the front panel, this is an empty shell. So here you have to drag and drop all the constant that you want to have in your cluster. Let's suppose this again vertically. Now we have this label, let's suppose data in maybe, and we should name it as data string in, right? So this is my cluster constant. You can right double click, it will expand. If you double click on the border, it will collapse, right? So this is how we create cluster constants on the block diagram and cluster controls or indicators on the front panel.